Well, the Waco campus of the Texas State Technical College celebrated a big milestone today.
It will impact future plumbers that train at TSTC. Fox 44's Allison Fox O'Connor was at today's ceremony to find out what makes this facility so special.
Calling all future plumbers, the Texas State Technical College campus in Waco celebrated today with the opening of its brand new plumbing testing facility. TSTC, along with the Texas State Board of Plumbing Examiners, cut the ribbon on the new facility at TSTC Waco this afternoon. And it's more than just another place for future plumbers to learn their craft.
TSTC is really proud of the fact that this effort, joint effort with the plumbing board, is going to result in far more quality plumbers in Texas.
This facility has different areas for learning plumbing skills, from work stalls with piping to model homes they can practice on and will be tested with before heading out into the workforce.
There are several pathways to becoming a plumber, and the thing that I am most excited about, you don't just become a plumber. It requires a lot of academic training and knowledge of codes and skill to get the job done, and it's for the public safety.
And even State Representative Doc Anderson made an appearance at today's celebration, noting this is going to add a huge piece to the economic boom Waco is experiencing.
It's a quality of life issue, not only for the student that'll go through this process, like I say, year and a half, and they actually can earn a living out there. So on their side, it's a tremendous advantage. And then on the customer side, so it's a quality of life issue there too, that you can get the services when you need them.
And what you're seeing next to me are just some of the tools that the new generation of plumbers will learn in this new facility. In Waco, I'm Allison Fox O'Connor, Fox 44 News.